Please come to seated in a sturdy chair with arms. Yoga is traditionally done without shoes or socks, which helps increase our ability to feel the floor and balance easier. You are welcome to remove your shoes now, but of course you don't have to. Softly close your eyes, sit up tall, lengthen your spine and open your chest. Relax and notice your natural breathing. Every time the mind wanders, bring your awareness back to your breath. Let's do some gentle range of motion movements in the ankles, knees, and wrists before moving on to standing postures. Extend your arms out in front of you around shoulder height and your legs straight out onto the ground. Lift your fingers and toes as you inhale. As you exhale, point your fingers and toes down. Inhale again and extend wrists and ankles. Exhale and flex wrists and ankles. Do this one more time with your breath. Then relax your arms down and bend your knees again. Sit up tall and broaden your collarbones. Breathe deeply. Bend your right knee and hold it into your chest with your arms. Take 3 deep breaths. Bring your hands behind your knee. As you inhale, extend your leg. As you exhale, bend your knee again. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen leg. Exhale, release. And again, inhale, extend the leg and kick out through the heel. Exhale and bring the foot back to the floor. We will now do the same thing on the left side. Bend your left knee and hold it into your chest with your arms. Take 3 deep breaths. Bring your hands behind your knee. As you inhale, extend your leg. As you exhale, bend your knee again. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, lengthen leg. Exhale, release. And again. Inhale, extend the leg and kick out through the heel. Exhale and bring the foot back to the floor. Move your sit bones forward onto the edge of the chair. Have your feet at least hips width distance apart or wider. Bring your feet behind your knees. Place your hands onto the arms of the chair and lean forward so the weight goes onto the balls of your feet. Now press down through the legs and lift your pelvis off the chair. Lengthen your spine and stand halfway up as you inhale. As you exhale, come down until you are almost all the way seated. Repeat this a couple more times with or without your hands on the chair. If you are able, place your hands on your hips instead. The next time you come up, hold the pose and take a few deep breaths. And on your next inhale, stand all the way up. We will take a few deep breaths standing tall. This is called mountain pose. If you tend to stand hunched over or leaning to one side, your body weight is not aligned in the most safe way. So here we are going to stack and lengthen our bodies to maintain our balance better. Good posture places you in an alignment where stress is properly distributed to the intended muscles and ligaments. As a result, the muscles are allowed to work effectively and as intended, which in turn decreases wear and tear on your joints. Bring the feet right under your hip joints and weight the 2 feet evenly. Press down equally through the 4 corners of your feet. Stack the hips over the heels and the shoulders over the hips. Draw the ears back over the shoulders and up towards the sky. Feel as if you just gained a couple inches in height. Find your breath and follow it as it moves in and out. Each breath in, the body lifts and lengthens. Each breath out is a natural release. Now stand behind the back of your chair and place both hands on the chair. Make sure you have a tall enough chair that you don't have to bend over to reach it. Inhale and find your mountain pose. Lift your right leg back, and while keeping the leg straight, bring the foot off the floor as high as you comfortably can. Inhale and lift your left arm as high as you comfortably can overhead. Exhale and release to center. Inhale and lift your left leg back and up while keeping the leg straight, and lift your right arm as high as you comfortably can. Exhale and come down. Next, inhale and extend the left arm and right leg apart, contracting the back body. Exhale and soften and release. Inhale and reach the right arm and left leg apart, opening the front body. Moving at your own pace, do one more set like that. And if you are feeling strong, you can hover your bottom hand off the back of the chair. Good. Now rest for a couple deep breaths. Stand tall and lengthen the breath. Lastly, let's do some lunges. Stand with the back of the chair facing your right side. Your right hand is on the chair. Take a big step forward with your right foot and a step back with your left foot. Keeping your spine straight, shoulders over hips. Bend your right knee over your ankle as you exhale. As you inhale, spring off the front foot and move it back to center. Move your back foot forward and stand up tall. Inhale. As you exhale, step your left foot forward and your right foot back. The feet are still hips width distance apart. Exhale and bend the front knee deeply. Inhale and step back to center with both feet. We will now do that same thing again. Inhale, left foot back, right foot forward. As you breathe out, bend the front knee over the ankle, not past it. Breathe in deeply and step the back foot underneath you. Stand tall for a breath. Change sides. Left foot goes forward, right foot moves back. Exhale into the lunge. Inhale and move out of the lunge. For the last set, if it feels safe, you can either extend the left arm overhead or lift the right hand over the chair. Let's do one more, starting with the right foot forward. Continue to breathe. Come back to center. When you are ready, move on to having the left foot forward. End in mountain pose with a few deep breaths. We will end our routine with a minute of rest and mindfulness, so come to a comfortable seated position with your back resting against the chair. Close or lower your eyes towards the floor. Relax your whole body into the support of the chair. Bring your awareness to your breath. Feel your body and just relax. Now begin to deepen your breath. Sit up tall and open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.